other tip that I can provide is to know the process, the technical process of buying property in your respective state inside and out. So when the agent comes to you and says, you know, you've put in your offer, would you be prepared to sign a 66W, which in New South Wales is the waiving of a cooling off, for example, you can say yes or no, conversely, or alternatively go in with your offer and say, with our offer, we're willing to sign a 66W, or whatever, you know, the other aspect might be that increases the likelihood of your offer being accepted. But it's also, the property search process can be quite time consuming, but the offer and acceptance and negotiation process can be quite quick. So you need to know how to react very quickly and how to say yes or no to things, and know whether it's in your best interest to agree to certain things or disagree for that matter.